Okay, good evening everyone. My name is Parth Karatia and I am a student of Swaminarayan University and coding data. So we are again back with a new LeetCode problem called climbing step. So question number 70 in the LeetCode called the climbing step. First, let's move to the question. So in given, you are climbing a staircase. It takes n steps to reach the top. Each time you can either climb one or two steps. Now how many distinct ways can you climb the top? So question is basically saying that in an input number you have to calculate the number of ways by using 1 and 2. Count the number of possible ways you can reach to the top. Let's take example. Here n equal to 2 and the output is 2, because we know that there is only two ways, 1 plus 1 or directly 2 to climb that reach to that step. And next example, n equal to 3, the output is 3, because there are only three ways. First 1 plus 1 plus 1, second 1 plus 2, and third 2 plus 1. Simple. There is no other step. You can take another example, like if you can take 5, there are 8 ways to climb 5. First 1 1 1 1 1 5 times, then 1 plus 2 plus 2, then 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1, then 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1, then 2 plus 2 plus 1, then 2 plus 1 plus 2. So there are total 8 ways we can climb up to 5 by using 1 and 2. So let's do code for any n of number. So first we have a condition that if the number is 2, then return 2. So we write if n is less than or equal to 2. If n is less than or equal to, there are only two ways. So return n. In that case, return n. If number is 1, then only one way to climb the stair. If number is 2, then only two ways, 1 and 2. For the remaining case, we initialize two variables, int a equal to 1 and int b equal to 2. This question is quite similar to the Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series 1, then 1 plus 1 equal to 2, then 1 plus 2 equal to 3, then 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Quite similar. For now, we initialize one for loop for int I equal to 3. Why I equal to 3? Because we are return the n if the number is less than or equal to 3 equal to 2. So we are starting with the third iteration, I equal to 3, and continue through less than or equal to n I plus plus. Now what we are doing here, we are initialize a c variable, int c equal to a plus b. So first of all, a equal to over 1 and b equal to 2, so c becomes 3. This is for first iteration. If I equal to, let's take if our n equal to 5, then in first iteration c equal to 3. Okay, second iteration I becomes 4 and I is less than or equal to 5. Again it will take. Now replace a with b and b with c. So let's take example, we have number 5. Okay, we have number 5 and we are starting from the I equal to 3. So in I equal to 3, c becomes 1 plus 2 equal to 3. In I equal to c becomes 3. Now a becomes b, means a becomes 2, and b becomes c, means b becomes 3. So again c equal to 5, 2 plus 3 equal to 5. So 3, 5. Okay, and at last when I goes through 5, when I reaches 5, then c becomes 8, 5 plus 3, and at that time we will return b, because we cannot directly return a. So we return b. Let's test. Test accepted.